are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today a day party makeup look. So let's get started. I'm applying moisturizer here and then I will start with a primer. It's a professional primer. I'm applying it around my nose area and forehead, and I'll drag it to my entire face. Then I'll take an orange corrector and apply it under my eyes and around my mouth. I'm going to blend that product with my fingers because I have not taken a lot of product, because in the daytime you need to use very little product, otherwise it will look very cakey. So make sure you use very little product. After this, I'm going to take two foundations. One is darker than my skin tone. Actually it's going to oxidize on my face, so one is darker and one is lighter. Lighter one I am going to use under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, nose and around my chin area, and the darker foundation I am going to use on my lower jawline, out on my outer surface area of the face. Now with the help of a foundation brush, I'm blending all the foundation. If you think you need more coverage, you can add a little bit of concealer on the areas where you need the coverage. Otherwise you're good to go with the foundation. I'm just blending the foundation again with the fingers so that it looks more blended and put together. Then I'm going to contour my face with the foundation. I'm using the PAC foundation here. The reason I didn't use the concealer to contour, because again it should not look that you have applied very heavy products on the face. So foundation looks very light on the face, so that's why I'm using the liquid foundation to contour the face. So after the contour, I'm going to blend everything on my face with the damp beauty blender, and I'm going to clean my eyebrows and my lips so that it gives a neat look. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and one eye. Now I'm starting with the eyeshadow. I have used a red lip liner pencil. Everybody has a red lip liner pencil, or you can use a dark brown also. Apply it on your eyelid and blend it with a small blending brush. You can see I'm blending all the lines very properly. You can see I'm dragging a little bit of the color under my eyes also. And once I'm done with the blending, I have taken a darker brown shade and applied it on my eyelid. I'm blending that shade. I have picked 2-3 times that shade and then blended it. Now I have taken a light brown shade and I'm applying it on my crease area. After this, I am going to take a liner pencil. It's a brown pencil from PAC, and I'm going to smudge it with my fingers, and then I will apply mascara and I will apply false eyelashes. I have used very subtle, soft, wispy lashes, and then I am just adjusting them with mascara and blending them. After the mascara, I'm going to apply liner again so that there is no band visible of the eyelashes. After this, I'm going to apply blush. It's a pinky peach blush. For the lipstick, I have used Nykaa's lip crayon. It's in the shade Jade Rose. It's a nude pinky brown. It's very pretty nudish brown shade which goes across many skin tones. You can use this shade, or you can use any peachy brown shade also with this look. Now I'm applying highlighter with a finger and blending it. I lightened up a bit the lipstick with the shade Nudist Peach from Wet n Wild, and this is my final look. You can see it's a very fresh look for the daytime. You can pair it with any Indian outfit, or you can pair it with modern dresses also. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.